Hey, what's up, guys? Josh here, crypto y'all, and the Get Paid Daily Mastermind and Private Mentorship. Hope you're doing well. If you like the following content and you want to dig in deeper to the world of true DeFi skills, crypto investing, the crypto flywheel method, and really just creating passive income with crypto, then please like, follow, subscribe, do whatever you got to do to make sure you're plugged into the crypto y'all ecosystem. Now, what I have today for you is a special treat. And if you're new to, or maybe consider yourself new or intermediate when it comes to crypto, what I'm about to show you is really helpful. And some of you watching this will find it to be very fundamental to your future crypto investing success. Now, I've personally consulted with literally hundreds of people when it comes to their crypto investing skills, right? I'm not a financial advisor per se, but I definitely help people navigate and traverse the world of DeFi, blockchain, crypto investing, etc. when it comes to the skills that we just didn't learn in college or high school. So one of those questions that I get a lot of the time, especially from people who've invested in stocks or real estate or other asset classes, they ask a really particular question, which is, what accounts do you need in order to be a successful crypto investor? And I always find that to be kind of an interesting question, because crypto is less about accounts, as we might know about them traditionally. And I get where that comes from, especially if you come from a stock or a trading background. You need a stock exchange or a stock brokerage account. But really, the way I've boiled it down for my members and the folks that are in my mastermind, there are really kind of three primary types of what I would call accounts. I really don't consider them accounts, but to use the language of those who are seeking advice and higher understanding of crypto, accounts is appropriate. And so the first, and I guess the top of the totem pole or the hierarchy, would be your central exchange. Okay. A central exchange, depending on where you are in the world, will have a particular jurisdiction limitation. For those of us in the United States, Coinbase is the largest and I guess most regulated. It's a publicly traded company on NASDAQ, ironically, but it is a crypto exchange. Now, the central exchanges, really, we need them as on-ramps and off-ramps to crypto, to and from crypto. And so that's where we basically send money from our traditional banks to our crypto central exchange. And there we can swap into usually a primary category of large, small, mid-cap cryptos, but they're not going to have every crypto under the sun listed there. So after that, we need a hot wallet. This is your wallet that is connected to the internet. It's oftentimes something like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet or Trust Wallet. There's a lot of them out there, honestly. Probably MetaMask is probably the most widely used. If you go to metamask.io, and it's a free account, just make sure you get it from the official metamask.io account. It's a Google Chrome tab. That's your wallet with your own security phrase, your own sovereignty, your own custody. The difference between our individual hot wallets and the central exchange is the saying, not your keys, not your crypto. If your central exchange, if you have all of your crypto sitting on your central exchange, and that centralized business, think about it, centralized versus decentralized. If they do something stupid like FTX and SBF or Voyager or the many other 2022 central exchanges who mismanage their funds like Celsius and BlockFi, well, they go bankrupt and they take your crypto with them. Or if there's a central hack or something like that, your crypto is not yours because they're holding the private keys of your crypto. So you need to move those keys into your own possession, a non-custodial wallet, which is the hot wallet. And then lastly, probably the ultimate expression of individual sovereignty would be what we call a cold wallet, or offline storage wallet where you've got the little physical device, and I don't want to promote any particular products here, but you can find many different brands, Trezor, Oculus, Ledger. There's literally a ton of them out there. Some of them have controversy, some of them don't. I'm not here to push any products, but using an offline storage device that has analog buttons on it so that a hacker has to be in the room with you basically to break into your wallet. It's not connected to the internet. I joke with folks all the time. It's kind of like burying your money in a coffee can in the backyard that nobody knows about. It's like but it's even more, it's more like a bomb bunker. It's in your backyard. Like no one can get into it except for you and your security phrases. And even if that little hardware device is destroyed, you can buy another one for $150 and just put your security phrase back in, and boom, you're back in, because your crypto is not contained on the little hardware device. It's actually on blockchain. We just use the hardware device as a security mechanism or as a key to get in. And your hot wallet operates very much, very similarly, but it's connected to the internet, and there's always vulnerabilities there. Now that I've said that, we have one more kind of, I guess, bonus, which is a DEX, or a decentralized exchange. Now, decentralized exchanges is where we go to do or facilitate swaps and trades and orders amongst a multitude of different blockchains and tokens and digital assets found on those that aren't found on central exchanges, but could also be. And the decentralized exchanges are really the scaffolding of all of crypto, of all of DeFi. The DEXs kind of play that role. And they also provide awesome environments where we can do yield farming, and perpetuals trading, and all kinds of fun stuff that is not centralized under a particular single point of failure, for lack of better words. And so I wanted to share with you today just one example of a decentralized exchange and its many functions, and maybe even some bonus functions that normally you wouldn't even know about. So let me turn off this screen share and move to my browser here. I want to introduce you to Kyber Swap. Now, again, Kyber Swap is one of many DEXs out there, but they have a multitude of functionalities. When we start here on Kyber Swap, and obviously I've got my wallet connected, I'm kind of one or two steps deep beyond the home page. I'm here on the functional swap page. And Kyber Swap is awesome because they work on many different chains. When they first launched, I think they were just Polygon, maybe Ethereum and Polygon. They've expanded who they service, and now just about all of the major chains that have significant liquidity on them are represented here, even Base, which is a newer chain at the time of this recording. So they've done a great job. And this is where you can swap with your hot wallet connected various tokens for various tokens, right? So I'm on the Polygon chain or Matic blockchain currently. I can make different token swaps for different tokens, okay? So I can also do limit orders where I want a particular token at a particular price. I can do that here, and I can set an expiration. This is for those of you who've done stock trading or limit orders in stocks, very, very similar functionality. And then we have cross-chain or bridging, which is really convenient when you're trying to, maybe you have an investment that is built on the Ethereum network, but man, you've got that $500 of USDT sitting on the Polygon network. You really need to get it over to the Ethereum network. Well, from here, I can move that USDT by selecting it here and selecting my current chain that it's located on, Polygon. And then I can select Ethereum and I can move it over here and I can find USDT. And now I can swap my USDT from Polygon over to Ethereum. So that's a really convenient and awesome service. And every time I make these swaps and changes, Kyber's making a little bit of money, fractional amounts of money off of the transaction fees, which then feeds things like liquidity pool. So if you go up here and click on earn, you can find all of these various APRs that you can earn by or providing liquidity, being an LP, a liquidity provider, and earn, gosh, north of 100% APY on many of these, some of them being even stable coin pairs, and earn that money, a democratized piece of the income that's coming from the swaps. Again, limit order, cross chain, and then they even have a new opportunity where you can onboard into crypto directly and skip the central exchange by using your various credit cards, Google Pay, and direct bank transfers. That's awesome, and a brand new feature that I had not even used yet. But the feature I really wanted to highlight today is Kyber AI, which is a beta that they have rolled out. You'll have to sign up. I'm already approved, but get on the list. It took me a day or two to get approved, but I was eventually approved access or given access. And I want you to go to, obviously, you can click on the about and kind of just get acquainted here with the various tools and watch the video. But here's the fun part, okay? So they are using artificial intelligence to try to help us with our decision making around investment. So if I click on ranking, they'll produce, and I don't know if this is updated daily, hourly, 4 hours. I don't know how it works. I think it's 24-hour volume because they track it here, but they give scores and bulls and bears. And so you've got these different filters here on the menu bar. And you can rank the bullishness, and you can even go in here and type in the token of a particular token that you're looking for. Like one of my favorite investments is Chainlink. Let's say I wanted to launch my Chainlink trading bot over the next few days, and I wanted to just see kind of what Kyber Swap was thinking about it. Well, they're going to provide me with a Kyber score, which if you hover over it, Kyber score uses AI to measure the upcoming trend of a token, bullish or bearish, by taking into account multiple on-chain and off-chain indicators. The score ranges from 0 to 100. Higher the score, more bullish the token in the short term. You can read more on their documentation that they provide, which I would totally encourage you to do. It's really, really awesome. And if you scroll on down, they even provide AI-driven technical analysis. And if you've never heard of the Fibonacci bands, then you should totally look into this, because what they do, or what this AI does, is it automatically will have this switch toggled on. You can toggle it off if you want, but they'll provide you with the support and resistance levels and kind of where we are. At the time of this recording, you can see that Chainlink is kind of flirting with this resistance level here. It's actually broken down below the resistance level, and its current price is the blue line. So it's bearish. That's why the Kyber score was bearish, because it's expecting, since we had broken down, we had then emerged and then failed to go up through that resistance. Now we are losing support, and maybe in the short term, Chainlink would have a pullback to the upper sixes, maybe 690, something like that, 693. So maybe I don't want to launch a grid trading bot for Chainlink currently. Maybe I want to be patient and wait till I get some of this retracement downward and then launch as it bounces off of support and back up towards resistance. So that's just one tool that can help you make decisions in your crypto investing. Having the hierarchy, understand how they work, central exchanges, hot wallets, cold wallets, and decentralized exchanges. Those are the kind of the ingredients. If this was a cooking show and we had to assemble the various ingredients, the recipe calls for. And if you're interested in learning more, or you're just wanting to level up your game when it comes to crypto investing, and you want to join a group of people who have common core values, they're fighting for their families, and they have specific desired outcomes that they're looking for financially. They want to be they want more time freedom and geography freedom. And maybe you're trying to build a supplemental form of wealth, or a passive income channel, or just want to pay for your kids' college, or take care of your elderly parents, whatever that might be. You want to acquire a new skill to pay the bills, right? Well, I want to offer you the chance to check out my free case study over at cryptoyall.co. Cryptoyall.co. It's about a 15-minute video on how I create passive income. I call it Get Paid Daily. And that is the opportunity we have with smart contract technology. It allows us to basically, like a dividend paying stock, we get to get paid daily through things like yield farming, trading bots, NFT mining, and various DeFi investing skills. If you want to learn more about those skills, go to cryptoyall.co, completely free case study. Check it out. If you like what you see, then schedule a call with me. I'll do a one-on-one Zoom call with you, and we'll see if maybe there's a place for you in my private mentorship and mastermind where me and my Get Paid Daily members tackle the world of DeFi investing and help each other make a ton of money. If that sounds interesting to you, go to cryptoyall.co, follow the prompts on the case study, and I hope I get to talk to you really soon. See ya.